Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In today's video, we will show you how to order a cashier's check on Wells Fargo. We will also put links in the description below for various banks that offer various sign-up bonuses for opening a checking account. To start, open the website wellsfargo.com, then sign on with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Accounts. On the drop-down list, you will see a section for Order Checks and Currency. Below it is an option that says Cashier's Check. Click on Cashier's Check. Next, on this page, enter all the required information, such as the check recipient, the check amount, and which account to be charged. After entering all the required information, read the cashier's check terms and conditions. Once read, and if you agree, click on the tick box beside I have read and agree to the cashier's check terms and conditions. Then click on Submit. That's how you order a cashier's check on Wells Fargo. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.